have a Singer Classic. The problem I was having with my sewing machine was when I got ready to do my bobbin and disengage it to do my thread on the bobbin, my needle would jump up and at the same time while it's winding my bobbin. So what I did was I took the sewing machine apart to try to figure out why was my bobbin not telling the machine to not sew when I'm trying to wind the bobbin. So I took off the back side of the sewing machine to get to in the top part to get to the bobbin area, and I'm just gonna kind of show you all how I got it apart. As you see, I already have the screws already out because I had already took it apart, but I kind of pieced it back together just to show you all what you need to take apart to get to that area. So up here you have a screw in the back right here and a screw over here. You want to remove those. You also want to remove this little thing here because it's screwed down as well. You will remove the screw here on the side, which removes this side piece. Then you want to remove the screw in the back here. And you also have a screw back here that you want to remove as well. So once you remove all those screws, your top piece here will pop off. And you want to make sure that you don't break your little clamps, because then it will not go back in place properly. So then you have access to the top where your bobbin is. But my problem was I needed to get to the hand wheel. And as you see, I still can't quite get to the hand wheel. So in order to get to the hand wheel, I have to remove the base of the sewing machine. So you want to slide this off. Which you can access this little thing, this little tray thing, which I already took the screws off. And you will also access the bottom. Now, once you access the bottom, then your bottom will come off. And then you will have to take off this part, which has 2 screws in it. And that's to get to your needle area to clean there, if you want to clean there. So once I got that off, we can get to this back side here. So we had already took the screw out here and the one over here. So the back pops off as well. There we go. So just be careful so you don't break your little clamps on here. But once you get that off, then you have your back side. Now you have access to your whole bobbin area. And this pops off too. I got it off once, but I don't think I can get it off again. It's kind of hard, but it slides off. But this is where your bobbin area is. When you flick it to do your bobbin, it disengages this thing right here, which controls your needle here. And like I said, it was moving at the same time. So it didn't know if it was sewing or if it was doing the bobbin. But when it's engaged, it allows the rod to move, as you can see. See, your needle goes up and down. But when it's engaged, let's see, the bobbin would only move. The hand wheel only moves because I'm turning it. But only your bobbin will move. At first, that was not doing that. It was not disengaging like it's supposed to. So I had to go in and find what was causing it to not disengage the needle. I don't know how thread got caught all up in the hand wheel, but this is how much thread was removed. Okay, we're going to test it out and see if it works. Right now, my bobbin is disengaged. So my needle is moving. And now I'm going to engage my bobbin and see if it works. And as you see, it's moving and my needle is not moving anymore. So I fixed it. Yay!